Happy honey.
Let's guess what flavor it is. Chocolate.
Let me try.
You know what would be good? If there's coffee.
I know
If
what he
but
wants to
it's-
say.
yeah.
Exactly. It was so.
In this video, we're going to show you what Hyatt Regency Hotel gifted us for our honeymoon. And also we'll be showing you a tour of our room 2003. We'll also show you how you can get your own honeymoon cake just like ours.
There is the other hotels from rooftop swimming pool.
Alright, let's start this room tour. We're at Hyatt Regency Bangkok Sukhumvit. Oh wow, this is a pretty good room. It's actually much bigger than I thought it would be. And also because it's our honeymoon, look at what they got us. Happy honeymoon. We wish an everlasting bond between you two on this very special occasion. Nice. Oh wow, look at this. Happy honeymoon. I wonder what kind of, maybe truffle.
Yeah, we'll try that later, and then we'll tell the audience.
I love how it's like really modern. I really like it. They have enough plugs too. They have the USB and they got the universal plugs, which is good. I'm sleeping on this side. Okay, let's go check out the washroom. And your side also has the
Oh, I'm trying to show you.
same universal plug. Okay. Oh, nice. It doesn't have those, you know, those trendy bathrooms that have the glass window, the glass window that can see the inside. All right, let's see what's in here.
The smart solution.
Oh, it's a washroom. Okay. Is there a washing like a bidet? No, it isn't. Which is fine. Oh wow. Are there two bathrooms? Oh no, there's a shower.
That's how
Nice.
shower.
Nice. Nice.
And look at this, closet.
Is there just one side? This is pretty small.
Yeah, but they.
Oh, there's
have-
two? There's
yeah,
just.
There's one more. It's here.
Oh no, that's not. That's not.
This is not. Oh,
That is not. Okay, so we only have this one right here, and I think there's also something over here. Make sure this is locked.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Make sure this is locked.
yeah, sure. Here's one.
Yeah, okay, it's locked. It's locked. All right. Ooh, this side's a big one. The sliding closet.
Yeah,
This is a big sliding closet. We can put like a luggage right here.
yeah.
Yeah. And then what else? Safety. Laundry. Not that we're gonna use those, but we got water.
Refrigerator.
How do you open it? Which side? This side. Only water. This is complimentary, I believe. They don't have Coke or anything.
They
It's
have
weird.
A lot of waters with.
Usually they have stuff.
That's not
What do they have?
complimentary.
Nice. Pretty happy about this place. Yeah, this one shows a view from our 2003.
Time to eat the honeymoon cake. Let's guess what flavor it is.
Chocolate. You
I'm
don't have
guessing.
to.
No, the inside. The inside.
I think it's just
Chocolate?
like chocolate.
Do you think it's pure chocolate or like hazelnut or?
They already
Oh, no.
have that. It's so hard to
Okay.
open
Wait.
it.
Let me get this corner.
Right.
Okay. Oh, it's a little. Oh, it looks beautiful. I think we can. I don't know if we can finish this. This is pretty big. Let me take a photo of it. I can take a photo. Can you take your phone? It's okay. I'm gonna try to get this
Capacity.
thing.
Capacity.
Let me do a.
Selfie.
How do you do a timer? What? Happy honeymoon. We don't. That's not break the honeymoon.
Yeah.
Okay, there we
Yeah.
go.
Just
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
One. Okay.
All right.
Nice.
Let's 1 cut half.
Yeah, we can do half. Can we actually eat that much? Maybe we can save half for tomorrow.
Would that go bad?
The inside. And you were correct. It's all chocolate. I thought there would be some vanilla or something. See, happy anniversary. Not happy. Happy honeymoon.
Honeymoon.
But this one might be strawberry. This piece.
Let's try it, then we'll know.
Okay.
Oops. I kind of break.
It's fine. Just try it and tell me
It's
if it
kind
tastes
of-
good or not.
Maybe it's under the AC for too long.
Maybe. Or maybe they made it like today, so it didn't harden. It's breaking apart. It's okay. Is it good? Does it taste like romance?
Wow, this actually tastes good.
Is it?
It's a pure chocolate.
Oh, wow,
It
okay.
tastes so rich.
Really?
It's good.
Okay,
It's
okay.
good.
My turn to try.
Yeah.
My turn to try. It's like it was truffle. Yeah, I like it. It's so rich.
Yeah, it's rich, right?
You know what would be good? If there's coffee.
I know
If
what he
there's-
wants to
it's-
say.
yeah.
Exactly. I was
Yeah.
thinking of the same
Yeah, if
thing.
it was coffee, this would be perfect. Oh wow, this is really good. It's not like
Yeah.
it's not like those cheap chocolate cakes. This is like
This is actually
Really
a real
good.
thing. Uh-huh.
I think dark.
Try that
chocolate.
the red part. Probably it's still chocolate only. Just
Uh-oh.
the color, the food color.
This one? I don't want to ruin this one. It's so perfect. I'm gonna eat this piece. It's regular chocolate with food coloring.
Okay. That's what I thought.
Oh
too.
no, I was expecting more though. I thought it would be like strawberry flavored.
You have strawberry there.
I know.
You can just have both in one bite. They enjoy the strawberry and the chocolate.
And then there's this one. I'll eat half, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Good. And then it was like, it's good that we told Hyatt that it's our honeymoon, because otherwise we would not have this whole thing. Now I'm wondering if when we go to Holiday Inn for the rest of our trip, do you think that they're gonna have cake? Let's do like a bet.
Did you tell them that it's our honeymoon when you
Oh yeah, I
make
did.
reservation?
They said
Alright.
noted. They said the Holiday Inn that said they noted that is our honeymoon, but they said that if you want any special requests, you still have to like contact them. Like
Well,
through the-
I seriously don't know because now it's in Hyatt Regency. You know, Hyatt is a 5-star.
You don't think the Holiday Inn would give us anything?
No, I didn't say that. I just say that I didn't expect anything from Holiday Inn because that Hyatt Regency is a 5-star hotel, and Holiday Inn seems like good, but maybe let's just not keep any hope for now, and then we will have surprise.
Yeah.
Hope so, right?
But I'm really glad that Hyatt actually gave us something. I was actually expecting just like a small piece, like one slice. But this is like beyond my expectation. Good. I need some water now. So sweet. Singha drinking water. So sweet. You want to eat some more?
Of course I want to.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
My bad, Timmy. For this one, the mango one. Right, babe, look at the, it's almost sunset.